Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a scanner so you can upload or email files as a PDF. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead now and download and install the Cam Scanner app to your phone, just like the one seen here. Once you've installed the app, Cam Scanner will automatically send you an email. Go in and check your email inbox and please verify your email so that you can link your Cam Scanner account to your email address or Google account. Once you've successfully linked your Cam Scanner account to your email or Google account, okay, go ahead now and open up the app. So the first thing you want to do once you have this screen open is to start scanning. In the bottom right hand corner here, click on this green button. Hold your phone over the assignment you wish to scan in or file you wish to scan in. Once you have it appropriately placed, go ahead now, but first switch to batch mode. Batch mode will allow you to take multiple pictures and make one file out of them. Once you have it in batch mode, go ahead now and take a picture. Now flip it over, and let's say you want to go ahead and scan in the back side as well. Once you have your phone in a good position, go ahead now and take another picture. When you're done, go ahead now and click on this button right here. It's going to ask you to crop your image, and that looks good to me, so I'm going to hit the check mark. I'm going to rename the file as Notes and hit OK. Now, to send the file, we want to come on up here and select Share. And I'm going to select Share as a PDF. And then come on up and select Share. And it gives you the following options. You can email it. You can send it to your Google Drive. I recommend uploading it to your Google Drive. Let's go ahead and do that. Notice the file Notes is there. I have 2 Gmail accounts, so select the Gmail account you want to use. And then select My Drive, and then simply select Save. And it will then upload the file to your Google Drive account. Go ahead now and log in to your Google Drive account just to verify that it's there.